How to fix YouTube offline download problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up on how you can fix your problem of your YouTube video not being downloaded onto your device. So let's begin with the video, but before beginning I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, launch your YouTube. After launching your YouTube, you need to go to your profile. After going to your profile, just tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you will be able to see download option in the middle. Just tap on that option. And here, if you have turned on this download over Wi-Fi only, then if you try to download any videos while you are not on Wi-Fi or on data, then your video won't be downloaded onto your device. So make sure to turn off this option when you want to download videos without any Wi-Fi. So if this method doesn't work, just get back. After getting back, I want you to long press on the app and go to the app info of the app. After that, scroll down until you see storage. After that, I want you to tap on this clear cache option and see if that fixes your issue or not. So these are the two methods on how you can fix your YouTube video not being downloaded onto your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.